welcome Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, Dr. Franco G. Teves. Dr. Frank?
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Perhaps there are representatives here of the Philippine Fab Lab Network, especially for Mindanao. Greetings also, especially to the 2021 Network Growth Chair, and to our surgeons and members of the Philippine Society of Otorhinolaryngology-Head and Neck Surgery. Good afternoon once again, and greetings of peace. I take pleasure in speaking before you this afternoon to convey, in behalf of MSU IIT, our heartfelt congratulations to the organizers and the participants of the FAB Health 3D printing for surgical planning training program. MSU IIT is happy to know that in our little way, we can help our surgeons in meeting some of the needs of your profession. Combining the technologies of CT scanning and 3D printing provides a powerful tool in transforming CT scan files to 3D models for surgical planning. This benefits not only the surgeons, but also the patients who can expect better outcomes of surgical procedures. This is another demonstration of the versatility of the Fab Lab in catering to the needs of the various industries and professions. I hope that this partnership between the Fab Lab and the medical community will continue for a long, long time, bringing more innovative ways of improving surgical outcomes. May you continue to prosper. Thank you very much, and good day.